Today I'm going to show you how to use your MWS credentials with Oaxray. First, we're going to go to oaxray.com/MWS. From there, you're going to see a link at the top, and we can open that link by just clicking on it. Once you've logged into Amazon, you will come to a page like this. We're going to come down to the third-party developer and apps, click Manage My Apps. Here you can authorize a new developer. If we move over to this page, then we can put in our developer name, Oaxray, Oaxray. Then if we go back to oaxray.com/MWS, we see right here is our developer number. So we can copy that, paste it in the developer ID or develop ID. Next, you can read through this and hit you understand. And they're going to give you a seller ID and a marketplace ID and an MWS token. Once you have these, if you right click on the Oaxray extension and click on options, here we have marketplace ID, seller ID, and MWS token. From here, all we need to do is copy in seller ID, marketplace ID, and MWS token. Click on next, and we are authorized to use Oaxray, and that means you're going to be able to use the features which were previously disabled. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Make some money using Oaxray.